Good day viewers, welcome to the tutorial segment on the show, Wisdom Through Vanguard. Today we'll be looking at some common errors in our expressions. These are errors we have become so used to and are almost becoming acceptable by many. So much that when anyone makes the right expression, he or she sounds odd. We have carefully selected a few of them to be reviewed today. First on our list is the expression, used to. It is common to hear people say, she used to give us too much of work. Now, use in this context is wrong and out of place. The right expression should be, she gives us too much of work. This is because the action by the subject is a continuous one. This implies that the action word should be in its continuous form, and that is gives. Again, it is wrong to say, she used to give us too much of work. The right thing is, she gives us too much of work. Do not say, God used to do marvelous things for me. Rather say, God does marvelous things for me. This error is found in this common chorus. What a marvelous God, what a marvelous, He used to do marvelous things for me. That is a wrong expression. It should be, He does marvelous things for me. The second erroneous expression we want to correct today is a very common one. I'm sure you have even heard it or used this expression before. You probably even still use it. Take this example. When she told me a story, I now understood her. The word we are looking at here is now. Notice that the sentence is a report of something that happened in the past. If it happened in the past, it cannot be now anymore. Therefore, the right expression would be, when she told me a story, or after she told me a story, I understood her better. Let's take some other examples. After I ate my food, I now slept. This is wrong. It should be, after I ate my food, I slept. Now should be out of it. 2. I did not talk to her. I was just on my own, and she now hits me. Wrong. The right expression would be, I did not talk to her, I was just on my own and she hit me. Some people make it worse by adding the word come. You hear something like, I did not talk to her, I was just on my own and she now come and hit me. This is a great blunder. Please avoid the use of now and come in this kind of sentence. The third and final one for today is, and I am like. You know, this expression started as a slang, but trust me, from a very wrong origin. These days, almost everyone uses it as normal and correct. You could even find it in a formal write-up. Imagine this. The girl said I took her book, and I am like, what? Emmanuel said he will not be able to come, and I am like, okay, no problem. These expressions are totally wrong in all formal grammatical structures. First, you cannot use am or I am in a reported speech, an event that happened in the past. When you say I'm like, it immediately sends a message of comparison. If you say I'm like, it shows you want to compare yourself to something or someone. If what you say does not follow the principle or logic of comparison, it means your expression is wrong. In this common expression, what usually follows the I'm like is what the speaker said or thought. Example, she pulled my leg and I was like, what the hell? What the hell is a response to what the girl did and not something he compares himself to. The man promised to give me some money and I was like, are you serious? As in the first sentence, what followed the I'm like is a response to what the man has promised to do. And it's not a comparison in any way. This makes the use of like in this sentence wrong. So, the next time you want to express yourself, mind the use of some words in your expressions. Today, we have corrected the wrong use of some words such as use, now, and like in some common expressions. Take note of them and learn to make good and correct expressions. Hook up with us some other time as we learn to correct some other errors in our expressions. I have been your tutor for today, Harrison Ibikpaja. Bye now.